was never able to fit in. The world rejected me, told me I was weak, pathetic. I was shoved aside. I became angry, and then my anger turned into hate. I found myself alone in the darkness, so I let it consume me. It turned me into something better. The world expected me to just take it and stay down.
তাহলে আমরাও বলবো 10 up 10 up 10 up 10 up 10 up 10 up। আমরা তো কারোর চামচামি না, আমরা নিজে দিয়েই বলবো আরো 10 up 10 up 10 up।